the right, the one on the right, because we didn't want to get attached, but I've been calling him Smokey.
Oh. Today feels like the first day of summer because it's like 97 degrees outside and it is literally fucking beautiful out. Oh my lord. Wait, how'd you do this, Hayden?
Fucking blacked out, threw up, woke up with a bloody eye.
Oh my god.
Tried to tell my mom I was from allergies. She was like, Hayden, I'm not stupid. I know you threw up too hard. I was like, alright.
Wait, know, like this is where we're going though, Bass Pro?
Yeah.
You have gift cards?
Yeah, I got like $100.
Shit, we about to do a shopping spree?
Or $50, but we're still doing a shopping spree. Like I'm gonna be like a kid in a candy store.
Look at this. It's the Panigale V4S. Oh my god, this is one of the nicest bikes literally like ever built, except for the Speciale. It literally looks like a mean Hornet. So these things on the side, they're wings, so that way when the fucking air's going through them, it doesn't lift up. It's fucked. Thing's got some pop to it. That engine is literally bigger than me. This thing is a tank. Wait, there's like a manual trim button on it?
Yeah.
Just in case?
That's like if you're doing work on it, I think.
Oh. This thing is
because usually it's trim up there.
This thing is dangerous. These things are sick looking. Guggen. That thing is beautiful.
This thing's sweet.
Look at that thing. Oh wow.
See? That's what I'm catching today at the beach. I'm catching one of those bad boys.
Oh look, he's coming right for us. A gator machete. This is what Mikey needs down in Florida working at Gatorland.
Bro, I hit a telephone pole and it fucked up my horn. My horn box fucked it up.
Alright, new segment. I'm gonna juggle a massage ball, an old camera lens, 9-volt battery. I feel like an idiot. It's not a good thing to do. Oh yeah. This. Got it. Come on now, that's not that bad. Yeah, what up, Chief?
No, I wasn't talking to you, I'm sorry. I wasn't calling you dumb, I was calling them dumb.
We're dumb. Sorry, I'm sorry.
It's alright.
They're the dummy boys, not you.
Okay.
The new kitten.
Kids are now.
My god.
They're not gonna bite you, they're just really scared of people.
Oh, they're very scared.
Oh my god, that is fucking adorable.
Isn't that the most...
You think?
Well,
You guys don't know?
well, we live. You can't really see anything when they're that small. Like, there's no. Like, they could both be girls, but there could be like a hidden something somewhere.
She really, I love that
adorable.
one.
Right?
That one
Ian
is like
so
my
cute.
favorite.
No, she's
Whoa,
just like,
whoa,
I
whoa.
gotta
Oh, God, look at him. Ooh, no, he likes Sebby.
They're both I look over, I'm like, yo, I'm about to get jumped.
They're like not watching him.
The gray one is actually so...
Yeah, it's actually low key. If that one doesn't lay down within the next 10 seconds, Corky doesn't whack it.
No.
Oh!
Smashed. He said not today.
Jared found out the deck is not clean anymore.
What the fuck? It's destroyed out there.
I know.
He's like, are you guys fucking kidding me? I put all this damn effort.
Your friends were over, they had like mad margs.
You know Jared gets upset about
Jared,
things like this.
relax. We need you to tits anyway. We need you. Yeah, isn't the glass crazy?
Yeah. God, your brake paws are out here though.
Yeah, that's good news
My
actually.
last video had
Isn't
literally
this
this whole thing
crazy?
clean.
No, the wind blew all these over. Look how many are smashed. Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, they
All
really
these-
are.
Yeah, like I haven't been able to clean up because I've been too hammered the last few nights.
Smashing it up on the block.
Hey.
Block too hot.
Hey.
Running right back tonight. I'm gonna say I'm going up Slipknot. Damn, dripping. Sauce on me whipping. Bitch, you know I'm pulling up. Camera on me, yeah, we flicking. Take a little flip like Adobe. Running right back, she know me. She finna blow me. I kick it back like I'm Joey. Meant to say I pull it back like I'm Obi. I ain't talking one, but you know I'm Kenobi. Shoot it like Kobe.
Do it.
I don't have any more.
So much money, damn it, I forgot to count. Look at my bank account. Look at the cash amount. I get the cash amount. I do the dash amount. Look at my bank account. Look at the cash amount.